I don't got nowhere to go. I just want to put my shoes on. I got my TikTok shop. Y'all be telling me my shoes is long. Y'all, I know. What do y'all expect? My feet are long. Y'all know that, right? If my feet long, my shoes gonna be long. Why would I? I know y'all, they on the table. For one, I barely even eat on this table. For two, maybe I just like my food to taste like feet. Y'all be comfortable. Okay, they too big. Only a little bit. See? Not that big. Not that big. It's not that big. But do y'all see? Girl, hold on. I want y'all to get into the details.